In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best DIY 3D printers available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the DIY 3D printers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the DIY 3D printers mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Prusa i3 version 2.1 MK3S Bare 3D Printer Kit. Step into the realm of cutting-edge 3D printing with the Prusa i3 version 2.1 MK3S Bare 3D Printer Kit. Immerse yourself in the world of DIY customization, featuring the Super Pinda MW power and an array of high-quality 3D printer components. The bare frame not only adds a touch of aesthetic appeal but also enhances structural stability, ensuring a consistent and precise printing experience. Whether you're a seasoned 3D printing enthusiast or just starting your journey, this kit provides a versatile platform for creativity and experimentation. Elevate your printing game and unlock new possibilities with the Prusa i3 version 2.1 MK3S Bare 3D Printer Kit. Number 4. KINGROON KP3S 3.0 Titan Extruder 3D Printer Kit. Embark on a 3D printing adventure with the new upgraded KP3S 3.0 Titan Extruder 3D Printer DIY Kit from KINGROON. This state-of-the-art kit is equipped with the advanced TMC2225 drive and incorporates 3D touch technology for seamless and precise printing. The inclusion of a premium PEI build surface ensures excellent adhesion, promoting successful prints. With resume printing functionality, the KINGROON KP3S 3.0 offers the convenience of continuing uninterrupted prints, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Experience efficiency and reliability in 3D printing with the KINGROON KP3S 3.0 Titan Extruder 3D Printer Kit. Number 3. Tronxy X5SA 400/500 VEHO 600 Pro 3D Printer. Unleash your creative potential with the Tronxy X5SA 400/500 VEHO 600 Pro Series 3D Printer. This DIY kit redefines the landscape of 3D printing with its high precision and expansive printing size. Quick assembly ensures minimal setup time, and the upgraded features guarantee optimal performance for your diverse printing projects. The Tronxy X5SA is an ideal companion for enthusiasts seeking a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution, offering a substantial print volume to bring your grand ideas to life. If you want to get more information and buy this printer, please check the link in description. Number 2. CNVORON 2.4 CoreXY 3D Printer Upgrade Kit. Revolutionize your 3D printing experience with the CNVORON 2.4 Kit DIY CoreXY 3D Printer Upgrade. Boasting the advanced stealth burner Cibor version 2.4 R2 and unparalleled high precision, this kit is designed to deliver exceptional print quality. The integration of Clipper Wi-Fi control provides seamless connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor your printer with ease. Elevate your 3D printing capabilities with the precision and advanced features offered by the CNVORON 2.4 CoreXY 3D Printer Upgrade Kit, setting a new standard for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 1. FYSETC Voron 2.4 R2 CoreXY 3D Printer Kit. Pioneer the future of 3D printing with the FYSETC Voron 2.4 R2 Kit DIY CoreXY 3D Printer. This cutting-edge kit incorporates the clicky probe leveling and Nevermore V6 activated carbon filter, ensuring unparalleled print quality. With a generous build volume of 300/350 mm, the Voron 2.4R2 provides versatility for a wide array of projects. Immerse yourself in a world of precision, reliability, and innovation, making the FYSETC Voron 2.4R2 CoreXY 3D printer kit the ultimate choice for enthusiasts and professionals pushing the boundaries of 3D printing technology. This printer link in description. You can check more information and buy here.